Good morning, students. I am your social science teacher in Whittle Matriculation School. Today, Wednesday, we are going to see the continuation of last class. Okay. Last class, what we see? 5 landforms, right? 5 landforms. 5 landforms, question and answer we see last class. Today we are going to see the 1 mark question, okay? First one, evaluation, first Roman letter, list out. 1. Write the names of the mountains and the places where they are located in your district. So we have to write the names of the mountains and places where they are located. Mountain name and the name of the place where the mountain is placed. Okay. First one, here is a mountain, this one is a place. First one, Pachai Malai. Pachai Malai. It is in Trichy district. Pachai Malai is in Trichy district. Pachai Malai. P-A-C-H-A-I. Pachai Malai. M-A-L-A-I. Malai. Pachai Malai is in Trichy district. Second one, Velliyangiri Mountains. Velliyangiri Mountains. V-E-L-L-I-A-N-G-I-R-I. Velliyangiri Mountains. M-O-U-N-T-A-I-N-S. Mountains. Velliyangiri Mountains is in Coimbatore district. C-O-I-M-B-A-T-O-R-E. Coimbatore district. Okay. Pachai Malai is in Trichy district. Velliyangiri mountain is in Coimbatore district. Second one, write the name of the trees around your school. Name the trees which is around your school. Your school means Whittle Matriculation School. In our school we have neem trees, mango trees, neem trees. N-E-E-M. Neem. N-E-E-M. Neem trees. T-R-E-E-S. Trees. Neem trees. Second one, mango trees. M-A-N-G-O. Mango trees. T-R-E-E-S. Trees. Mango trees. What are the trees around our school? Neem trees and mango trees. Second Roman letter, fill in the blanks. First one, the vast flat land on the earth. The vast flat land, which is a flat land on the earth, is called plains. P-L-A-I-N-S. Plains. P-L-A-I-N-S. Plains. The vast flat land on the earth is called plains. Second one, dash is the 4th oldest water. Plains. P-L-A-I-N-S. Plains. Plains. P-L-A-I-N-S. Plains. The vast flat land on the earth is called plains. Second one, dash is the 4th oldest water diversion system for irrigation in the world. Dash is the 4th oldest, which is the oldest dam we know. Kallanai Dam. This is the 4th oldest water diversion system for irrigation in the world? Kallanai Dam. Kallanai. Kallanai Dam. 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 Kallanai Dam. KALLANAI. Kallanai Dam. 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 Kallanai Dam is the fourth oldest water diversion system for irrigation in the world. Third one, Dash forest is located in Kanyakumari district. Dash forest is located in Kanyakumari district. Reserve forest. Reserve forest is located in Kanyakumari district. Reserve. 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 Reserve forest is located in Kanyakumari district. Fourth one, the agricultural land and the area around. Agricultural land nale enadhu? Marudam land. Agricultural land and the area around is called dash. Marudam. MARUTHAM. Marudam. The agricultural land and the area around is called Marudam. MARUTHAM. Marudam. Fifth one, Dash is the biggest mangrove forest in India. Dash is the biggest mangrove forest in India. Sundarbans. 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 Sundarbans is the biggest mangrove forest in India. Okay, Sundarbans is the biggest mangrove forest in India. Sixth one, Marina Beach is located in dash. Marina Beach is in Chennai. Marina Beach is in Chennai. 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 Marina Beach is located in Chennai. First one, the vast flat land on the earth is called plains. Second one, dash is the fourth oldest water diversion system for irrigation in the world. Kallanai Dam. Third one, dash forest is located in Kanyakumari district. Reserve forest. Reserve forest is in Kanyakumari district. Fourth one, the agricultural land and the area around is called Marudam. The agricultural land and the area around is called as Marudam. Fifth one, dash is the biggest mangrove forest in India. Sundarbans. Sundarbans is the biggest mangrove forest in India. Sixth one, Marina Beach is located in Chennai. Marina Beach is located in Chennai. Third Roman letter, match the following. Third Roman letter, match the following. A. First one, Murugan. Murugan is a god for Kurunji land. Murugan, Kurunji. Murugan, Kurunji. Second one, Thirumal, Mullai. Thirumal, Mullai. Thirumal, Mullai. Third one, Indiran, Marudam. Indiran, Marudam. Indiran, Marudam. Indiran, Marudam. Fourth one, Varunan. Varunan, Neidal. Varunan, Neidal. Varunan, Neidal. Fifth one, Kottravai, Palai. Kottravai, Palai. Kottravai, Palai. Murugan, Kurunji land. Thirumal, Mullai. Indiran, Marudam. Varunan, Neidal. Kottravai, Palai. Kottravai, Palai. This is the first match, the following, and the second one here. Okay. B. Their goddess. This is for fully for Kurunji land. Okay, Kurunji land. Goddess Murugan. Their goddess Murugan. Second one, flower, Kurunji flower. Flower, Kurunji flower. Third one, people, Kuravar, Kuratiyar. People, Kuravar, Kuratiyar. Fourth one, occupation, root gathering. Kurunji people occupation is root gathering. God, Murugan. Flower, Kurunji flower. People, Kuravar, Kuratiyar. Their occupation, root gathering. Their occupation is root gathering. Okay. My dears, name the people of 5 Thinais. First one, Kurunji Thinai. Kurunji Thinai people were called as Kurunji Thinai people were called as Kuravar, Kuratiyar. Mullai people were called as Idayar, Idaichiyar, Ayar, Aichiyar. This is for Mullai land people. Next one, Marudam land people were called as Ulavar, Ulatiyar. Ulavar, Ulatiyar. Next one, Netherland people were called as Parattavar. Okay, Netherland people were called as Parattavar. Parattavar means fisherman. Parattavar means fisherman. And the last land, Palai land people were called as Yeiner, Eitrier. Yeiner, Eitrier. Next one, list 4 themes of Mullai land. 4 themes only for Mullai land. Mullai land. 4 themes are their god Thirumal. People Idayar, Idaichiyar. Ayar, Aichiyar. Occupation cattle rearing, gathering fruits, sowing millets is their occupation. Plant. The plant which cultivated there is Gova. Gova is a plant which is cultivated there. Next one, flower is Mullai flower. flower, mullai flower. Animal, deer, rabbit. Bird, parrot. Their musical instrument is mullaiyal. Mullaiyal. Next, third question. Third question. What do you know about Sembulam? What do you know about Sembulam? Page number 139. We already studied yesterday. The forest region is referred as Mullai land. This region is also called Sembulam because due to the presence of red soil. Due to the presence of red soil. Next one. Fourth one. How the Palai region is formed. Page number 144. When Kurunji and Mullai dries up. When Kurunji and Mullai dries up, it is called Palai. When Kurunji and Mullai dries up, it is called as Palai land. Okay. Next one. What are the themes of Palai? What are the themes of Palai? Page number 145. Here, their god Kottravai, Palai land god Kottravai. Kottravai means mother goddess. People living in this dry land is Yeiner Eitrier. Occupation is cattle lifting. Cattle lifting. Occupation is cattle lifting. Plant Ulingai Palai. Plant in this land is Ulingai Palai. Flower Cactus Ilupai. Flower Cactus Ilupai. Animal tiger elephant. Animal tiger elephant. Bird eagle. Bird eagle. Music Palaiyal. Music Palaiyal. This is the fourth Roman letter, fifth question. My dear students, today your homework is you have to write, fill in the blanks and match the following. Chariya? You have to write this on your homework note. Okay? Paathe eludunga. Okay dears? There is no spelling mistake in the homework note. Okay dears? You may take a picture of this one. Write this, fill in the blanks. First Roman letter filling the blanks. You have to write this first 6 questions, then match the following, this one and this one. You have to write. Okay? This is your homework. Fill in the blanks 6th irukku. Match the following. Here 5 and this 4. A, B. Like this you have to write it on your homework note. Tomorrow we see third unit. Okay, municipality and corporation, third unit. 1 mark questions shall we recall. Okay dears, today this is your homework. Thank you. Have a nice day dears.